Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm just going to explain you the loss that I made recently in a stock called Subex. Basically, I invested 7 lakhs in this stock and I made a loss of around 1 lakh 86,000. So somewhere around 25%. And let me just explain you what happened in this trade. And before that, please make sure to like this video. Okay friends, so this is the stock called Subex, and I've been following this stock for a very long time and I was waiting for the right entry. So what happened is, this is the pattern, and I wouldn't say I entered at the right point. Probably I could have entered right after the breakout or something like that, but my entry was quite late at 70. So the triangle pattern is not only the reason. If you look at it, I really liked the momentum of this stock right from the beginning. Like every time it crossed the pattern, it gave a move of 30 to 40%. And looking at this bullish candle, I was hoping the same, and that is why I entered. Even if it was late, I entered here, and my stop loss was basically below this trend line. Okay, and what happened? Yeah, this happened. So the reason why I was holding, as I mentioned, my stop loss was here, and also the fall was like very gradual. It was not very drastic, so I didn't mind holding it. But this candle confirmed me that okay, probably this is the time for me to exit, because this is a huge candle, red candle, and I exited at 52. It was quite late, and 52. So average entry and kind of a poor exit resulted in a loss. So these happens when you take hundreds of trades in a year, or more than 150 trades in a year. 2 or 3 trades are, this will result in some losses, which is completely fine, which is just a part of the trading. And I didn't think twice to book my losses, because I rarely made losses in the last financial year. Like what, I made 3 losses totally. The last time I made a loss was in J Corp, and after that this is the loss. So when it comes to losses, I don't mind booking it. I don't have any ego, and so that is something that as a trader we should inculcate, because after a point of time, when you book a lot of profits, you would have this ego. No, I cannot go wrong, and I will be able to come out of profits in this particular trade. No. So you just stick to the rules no matter what. And also the best part in this particular trade was my capital allocation. It wasn't that okay, 7 lakhs is huge actually, but it wasn't as normal as I used to allocate, right? I generally allocate like 10 to 20 lakhs, sometimes even 30 lakhs. But this time I did not invest much because of this reason. Like I was little late, and I was not also 100% sure. So the position sizing did help me to an extent in this trade. Okay, so yes, this is what I wanted to share it with you guys. And let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts regarding this. And look at this now, it has kind of a reversal. But if you look at the weekly pattern, look at this. So this is kind of a huge, see, even if it goes like this, it really doesn't matter. Okay, our stop loss is hit and it's time to move on, and I'm not going to re-enter or something like that, because there is no reason. It's not giving me any reason for me to enter again. So yes, that would be all. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. Please do not forget to like this video. That will help me with the algorithm. It's not going to cost you much, it's just one tap. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video with patience.